Hey guys, I just went outside to check the mail, and guess what I got? Another package. I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. Wonder what's inside. I betcha it's a DVD. It is. What kind is it, you might ask? Nickelodeon's All-Star Sports Day. Now, I bought this one, of course, you know, for this one right here. And the episode of Blue's Clues it has on it is Blue's Backyard Ball Game Bonanza, which is one of my favorite episodes from Season 4. There's that disc right there. For those of you who are interested in all the other episodes of the shows they got, it's got Dora the Explorer, Baseball Boots, Wonder Pets, Save the Sea Lions, Save the Kangaroo, and Yo Gabba Gabba Move, Go Diego Go, Rainforest Race, and Ni Hao Kai Land Sports Day. Yeah, that. That's really all there is to it. So, until next time.
Help me.
Thank you so much for your help today. Now it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You sure worked hard. You use your mind. Take a step at a time. You can do anything that you wanna do.
Bye-bye. See you again soon.